Have you ever tried to record or film your monitor or screen and you have that weird effect of lines going up and down? Sometimes it even happens without the monitors and screen, just because of the light. Quick tip: when you record, you better reduce shutter speed, it will help a bit. But if you already have the video with flicker effect and you have to do something with it on the post-production, there is one method without any plugins or any external tools. It's just few clicks. It will not remove it completely, but it will help a lot. Let's jump right into it. Here in Premiere Pro I already have a video. As you see, I was intentionally recorded with the high shutter speed, and the light here is flickering. And after I started to reduce the shutter speed, and you see how it fixes it. And now I will show you how to at least reduce the amount of that flickering effect. So I will take the part before I reduce the shutter speed. Yeah, like that one. And what you need to do is super simple, easy. You copy the clip, basically hold Alt, left mouse button, drag and drop. Then you choose the clip on the top and move it one frame to the left or to the right. To do that, you press Alt, hold it, and press any arrow. For example, arrow right. You see it move on one frame. And on the top clip, we just go to the effect controls and reduce the opacity to 50. And right now the flicker effect is not fixed, but at least it reduced. I will show you before and after right now. As I said, it's not fixed, but it's reduced, and since it took just few clicks, I think it's cool.